Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up on your Houseparty account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and search for Houseparty as I'm doing. And finally, go ahead and click on the first link, which is houseparty.com, and you want to simply go ahead and download the application on iOS or Android, or you can also simply go ahead and go on Chrome, as you can see. And in order for you to go ahead and sign up over here, you want to simply go ahead and click on the sign up button right over here. Now you want to simply go ahead and enter a username, and then go ahead and enter your full name, and then enter a email. And once you have done that, go ahead and enter a password, and then finally enter your birth date. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on continue, and then you can simply go ahead and enter your country and your phone number, or you can just skip this step, and then you can skip all of this and click on continue, and there you go. Your account is successfully signed up on your Houseparty. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.